We're doing an addition on a house. We've tore down 95% of the house, and we're adding about 1,300 square foot to the additional living space of this property for these clients. Tearing apart a good bit of the slab so we could add footings in places where we didn't have footings before. I call this FrankenSlab because we've pieced a lot of the existing slab to an older slab, and it looks really cool. As we start growing it and adding the block work, the house really starts to take shape. Our block work is provided by Titan Industries. Castcrete provides all of our precast material. These are what help create openings for your windows or your doors. And then we have Whitecap, who has provided all of our steel and our slab packs. This section over here, all the way to this side, is existing structure. Back then they didn't have steel inside or around the windows creating a lintel. So we have to come back and we have to add the steel to those areas. You'll see this area here, this is where you have steel that's inside the block work, and it's erected out of the slab, out of the footings, to create a continuous bond from what's up above the block and then coming down all the way into the block and then going into the foundation. The steel that's up there will create a halo of steel all the way around the building. And then when you pour concrete or pour the mortar into that area, it'll harden up and it gives it a structural integrity that keeps it from pulling apart and displacing. These are our openings. This will be where the master bedroom is. This is master bedroom as well. Here will be a dining room. This is the window for the dining room. And then we get over here, this is the back patio. This is the area that they're starting to block now. You're seeing them set the block. You're seeing them set the steel. You're seeing it live in action right now as they're doing it.